Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your APC backup battery unit. Now, this is a typical APC battery backup. Of course, you want to make sure it's unplugged. Then you're going to turn it over and you're going to carefully slide away the bottom panel here. Just like that. See how we depress the tab here? And then slide that panel away. We'll show you now how to remove a battery. You're just going to tilt the side of the battery up carefully, just like that. Disconnect the first cable. And we like wearing rubber gloves when we do this, just to be on the safe side. Tilt it further up, and then disconnect the next cable, and carefully lift the battery away. Now, here's how to replace the battery. Going to follow a similar process here. Make sure you get the correct battery for your model. Typically these are 12 volt and somewhere between 8 and 10 amp hours to match this size specifically for these type of APC battery backups. All right, just to show you how we're connecting it, we've got it turned around the other direction so you can see these connections clearly. Start by connecting the bottom negative connection, just like that. Okay, and we're going to show you what this connection looks like. We're going to give you a closer look at this connection before we connect the positive connection, just so you understand exactly where the blade of the battery needs to go. And there on the connection, if you can see, it needs to go in that flat area. And that's the most important part there is you slide that on and you'll know when it's securely connected there. So just carefully connect the bottom cable there as you're tilting the battery in. Once you've got that connected, then you can move on to the top cable, typically the positive cable. And you may hear a little bit of a spark just as you plug it in for the first time. And then carefully slide it in the rest of the way, making sure that top connection is secure. And then gently lower the battery back in to the battery backup unit, just like that. Okay, now we're going to show you the same thing from another angle here, just so you can get a closer look and another angle of how these connections are going to go in. So you're going to start with that negative connection going in that flat area. Then you're going to go in with the positive connection, just like that. And then carefully lower the battery back in to the battery backup unit. And that's it. Okay, now we're going to show you how to go back in with the bottom cover here. Start at the very far edge of the case, get it evenly aligned, and then carefully slide it back up until that tab clicks in place, and then you're ready to go. Carefully turn the battery backup unit back over, and you're done. Now, as a bonus, we're going to show you how to power up the unit. Most important thing is after you replace the battery, wait a moment for it to cycle through its initial startup here. See how it's blinking like this? It's not quite fully ready yet. It's testing the circuits, it's testing the battery, going through a self-check procedure. Then once that's done, you'll be all set to go. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.